Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I hear that train come, it's all around me. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. That train keeps moving on the Saturday. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blow, well, I just let it go. Check, check, one. There's a smoking and fancy dining car. You're probably drinking coffee, smoking cigars. But I know I have it covered. I know I can't be free. Oh, those people keep on moving.
How does that feel to you guys up there?
That feels pretty good up here.
Well, is this
That work?
monitor? Can I put
All right.
Yes, I'm not hearing anything.
Hey, Pete,
I've got
Yes.
can you put some of his keyboard in his monitor, please? Can you just forwardly?
He's got nothing in his monitor but me.
Okay, let's put it, give us
But we can put your keytar. Here it comes. I'm bringing it up slowly. I think that's mix 5, and I'm coming up slowly. That's okay? You want anything else in your mix so far? That's all you got? It's your keytar and me. I'll sing duets with you.
I got the
Drummer's fine. Bass player's fine, except for his ankle.
Yep.
Nolan, you're fine.
Right, Drake.
Except for his breath.
Well,